Alright guys, last week I tried to see if I could do this, but I just got in on this trade. As you can see, it looks like a PACB, same exact one that I traded before. See this drastic sell-off here from about 735 all the way down to 716. I saw a reversal here on the momentum MACD. So hopefully here it's started to move up in a little bit higher direction, but there's not really much movement here at all. But I did put a stop in place around 719. I feel it's kind of broken there at that point, but I have my stop in place. It'd be really nice if this could run a little bit and show you guys a little bit how when I enter a trade I'm able to get a little bit of profits here. Currently up about 2 cents on 5,000 shares long. A little bit dying off here on momentum, but we'll see here. Might get stopped out again. This I was just looking to play for a bounce. It's a downward trending stock, so again on the wrong side of the trade. But the most important thing is to identify the pattern. As you can see, it's a drastic sell-off here to about 916, 917. Then we have the exponential and average MACD crossing over from a negative or downward momentum into a positive momentum. Then we have the positive MACD histogram. It doesn't look like it's going to go much farther here, but I just want to let you know this is the type of pattern that I look for. Had I got in at the 18 mark, I would be up a little bit, about 10 cents, probably looking to get out. But because I got in a little bit later, I wanted to wait for the 5-minute chart to confirm a reversal here. As you can see, there's a 5-minute candle, makes a new high. So that is my indicator in order to get in. Probably move this up a little bit. It'd be really nice if this thing could stay here above 723 and keep going. There we go. Yep. So let's go ahead and take our stop, move it up to $100, and look at that. Look at that. Look at that live trade alert reversal. So now the question is, you know, there's a lot of above average volume coming in. The question is how much volume is going to come in and keep this thing going. It's pretty extended right now already, but what I'll probably do is move this up to around 300, and if the momentum keeps going, because it's later on in the day, it's like 2:47 in the afternoon, so if this keeps going, that'll be nice. But if not, oh yeah, we got a lot of big sellers here coming in. 46 at 730. Alright, so we just made $300 on that trade. I think it has a little bit more into it just because these lines are kind of still on the momentum consolidation. Looks like it's a little bit headed in the upward direction here at 21 on the positive side. It might potentially have a little bit more in it, but you know what, $300 in like 8 minutes, I'm not gonna complain. So I did catch that live for you guys as promised. Again, like I said, you're looking for above average volume. You're looking for these drastic downward spirals or these drastic sell-offs. I mean, it's like let's see, from 4:15 all the way to about 4:30, so like 15 minutes of like a pretty solid, you know, consistent sell is pretty drastic. You can see here on the MACD histogram these extremes over on the 30s, and then look to get long here once these lines cross and we see a starting to have gradual increase in volume to pop it back in the other direction. So honestly, all I'm really looking for is like 10 cents. I think I got 10 cents on that one as well. And so once I confirmed here on the 5-minute chart that there was a 5-minute candle that made a new high, that to me is a good indication that this is a great opportunity for a potential move back up to the upper Bollinger Band line. Because it's been riding the lower Bollinger Band line the whole way, this obviously would be a great opportunity, for people who are short to stay in, because it hasn't moved above the average. But you can scalp it a little bit here and there and get 10 cents. I went about 5,000 shares long, got $300 on that. What was the other one that I traded today? PACB is the one that I just did. Let me look here. VTL. I did this one earlier. This one's kind of not really moving anywhere now, but it looks like it's trying to test the highs, obviously. VTL, I took it long as well for 600, so I'm at 900 for the day, and this is all trading after 1:30 p.m. So I like in the afternoons because it's a little bit more consistent. I find the stocks that are more in play. Obviously here's another entry point. See, right around 415, 416. If you would have gone long there, you would have rode this consolidation, but you would have saw the new test of high. So if you guys like the content and information, like, subscribe. That was VTL, but obviously the one that I got live was PACB, and it looks like it's probably dying off now. So that was pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.